Hi everyone, I'm Hair Circus Freaks.
And I'm Death by Couture, and we're here with Colortrak to demonstrate pop-up foil.
And mesh.
Our lovely client today has a level 6 with some grow out here of about a level 4.
And our goal today is going to be getting a poppin money piece for her to show stop on the streets. So we want an even level 8 here, and then the goal for the back is going to be a level 7 and 8 mix. So that's what we're going to be using the mesh here. And
foil's up front. Hey, let's do this.
Cheers. Sam's gonna create her section for her money piece in the front, and I'm gonna start hand painting the back.
Now because she has bangs, I'm taking a larger section than I usually do. So we're gonna come in and bring this money piece a little bit farther down so that it's not just a blonde bang, she's got longer pieces down in the front. We're gonna take these strongly diagonal sections, and I'm gonna back comb, alternating between baby lights and slices.
And in the back, I'm gonna be teasing and weaving. And even though we're starting at the same time, Sam's is still gonna be brighter because of the tool difference. So because she's using the foils, hers are gonna be brighter, and then mine will be more slow and steady. I'm gonna use my Galaxy glitter brush to upstroke here, going back and forth, giving her a sun-kissed look in the back. I love this technique because I can use this every day in the salon. It's a very Victoria's Secret look. The girls always want this, nice and blended in the back, and then giving that pop in the front. But this is really awesome for and custom for your client, because you can decide as an artist how you would feel that if she went on a cruise, her hair would lift and give it a nice, I just went to Jamaica on a cruise look.
The difference between foil and mesh really comes down to how light you want the hair. So foil is going to incubate the hair, and it's going to get you a much lighter, brighter blonde. You're going to get your platinums. That's what you're going to get your money piece out of up here. Your mesh is going to incubate it, but not near as much. That's where you're going to get your sun-kissed look, like what we're going for back here. Your color melts, your more natural balayage looks. That's what you're getting out of a mesh. So it really comes down to just how light you need the hair.
Also, Sam, something I love doing in the salon is I love using my mesh to keep my low lights separate. So say I have someone that comes in and they're a solid blonde and they want to add dimension. So I'll go in and I'll create my all over blonde, and then I will use my mesh to separate with like a darker blonde low light or a light brown low light, so they can really get different tones out of that look. So these are used for so many different things. Also color melting, like we said, low lighting, lifting just a couple of levels. So these are like something you would use in the salon every single day.
One of the nice things about a process like this is it's really good for a busy client who kind of needs to be in and out. So you can put this money piece section in probably in about 10 minutes with your alternating baby lights and slices, and then put your back section in just doing surface painting. This all focuses just on this crown area right here. That maybe takes another 10 minutes just to throw those in right there.
That's why you really want to stay on top of checking your client every 5 to 10 minutes, especially if you're doing a sun-kissed look in the back. You don't want it to overlift or lift too blonde. And then the front is going to take a little bit longer, but checking your client every 5 to 10 minutes is really important. We have now rinsed out our fabulous client. She's processed for 45 minutes. She's a perfect level 8, 9 in the front and a 7 in the back.
Now she's ready to go over to Haley and Rachel for her next color process. Follow us on Instagram at Colortrak, and I'm Death by Couture.
And I'm Hair Circus Freaks.
Boom.